how to add contacts or people into your Outlook group. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how you can easily add contacts or peoples into your Outlook group. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is simply click onto this people tab over the left. And once you are inside the people tab, you need to click onto this go to groups option. Once you click onto this go to groups option, you will be landed into this particular page. So currently I already have created this particular group that goes by the name group 1. If you don't have any group and want to create a new one, you can simply click onto this new group button and a dialog box will appear where you would require to name your group, and then you can easily create your own group. So once your group has been created and you want to add members into your group, you need to simply click onto this members button over the group. And once you will do this, it will list out all of the members which are currently present in the group. And in order to add new members, simply click onto this add members button over the top right corner. Once you click onto this add members option, you will get this dialog box, and from here you can add members by either specifying their name or email addresses. So you can easily type in their email addresses like this, and once you have typed in the email address, you will get a prompt like this. So simply select them and click onto this add button. And once you will do this, you will see this message that says one member successfully added. Continue adding members or go to members. So if you want to add more members, you can simply type in their name again and click onto this add button or close this dialog box. And now you can see that the member that we have added has been successfully added into this particular group. So that's how easy it is to add a new member into your Outlook group. That was for this tutorial. If this tutorial was helpful to you, consider giving it a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.